Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best professional range hoods in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Broan NuTone 413004. Add a little more to your kitchen by installing Broan NuTone 413004 Ductless Range Hood under the cabinet. This versatile hood is the perfect solution to your ventilation needs, serving as both an exhaust fan and overhead light for your stove. The stainless steel unit is designed to fit neatly under your cabinets to provide quality airflow to your kitchen. It is installed as a non-duct range hood with a charcoal filter that effectively removes smoke and grease along with the odors and contaminants. Furthermore, it features a protective lamp lens which distributes light evenly over the cooktop and accepts up to 75W bulbs. Its designed smooth surface can easily be cleaned and quick-release filters can be washed in the dishwasher. Moreover, the unit has a 2-speed fan switch and separate light switch, and the motor is permanently lubricated. Number 2. Our second best pick is Broan NuTone 403023. There's not much sacrifice to be made in choosing the budget-friendly Broan NuTone under cabinet range hood over our top overall pick. You'll find a lot of the same high-quality, yet affordable design elements shared between the two, but this unit comes in at a price that simply can't be beaten. This best range hood's 2021 measure 30 inches across, which will neatly fit under cabinets in tight spaces. Moreover, the 160 CFM is a stronger one than the one found in our top pick. It will still be adequate for home kitchen use. Furthermore, this is a duct range hood with the option for vertical or horizontal discharge, and above all, it performs the noiseless operation. An ADA-compliant design, dishwasher-safe aluminum grease filter, and a protective lamp lens for the 75W bulb round out the feature list. Number 3. Our third best pick is COSMO 5MU 30 inches. Under cabinet range hood. The slim and sleek body of COSMO 5MU 30 is so eye-catching, and it also helps to save space. The slim design makes this hood perfect for condos and apartments. It also allows two-way installation, under a cabinet or against the wall. Further, this hood features a superb and quiet 300 CFM, 3-speed motor. The motor helps in ventilating your kitchen without any noise. The function of the hood can further enhance by the ductless system, which uses a carbon filter kit. The COSMO under cabinet range hood is made from 430 series 20-gauge brushed stainless steel, which gives it an astonishing look. Above all, its 5-button controls enables you to control the ventilation speed. 2 long-lasting and reusable aluminum mesh filters are included to help in effective trapping of oil and grease. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is COSMO COS QS 75 30 inches. Under cabinet range hood. The COSMO QS 75 under cabinet range hood features a unique commercial canopy pro-style modern design that is a powerful and elegant sophistication. Furthermore, the hood is designed of premium 430 series stainless steel, which has an 18-gauge thickness for perfect user versatility. The COSMO QS 75 is made with a 900 CFM, a backlit touchscreen, and 2 centrifugal motors that aid in soundless ventilation. Your kitchen ventilation is further enhanced by the hood's 7.5 round top vent. Moreover, it features magnificent energy-saving LED lights. The 1.5-watt lights are durable and provide adequate illumination for better night visibility. The COSMO QS 75's arc flow permanent filters are long-lasting and dishwasher-safe. Above all, you may use the range hood ductless with a carbon filter kit. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is COSMO UC 30 inches. Under cabinet. The COSMO UC 30 under cabinet range hood can be easily installed against a wall or under a cabinet. The hood quietly and quickly ventilates your kitchen. It is considered to be the best range hood. Furthermore, along with grease and oil, it also eliminates odors and contaminants from your kitchen. The built-in 3-speed push-button controls make the hood user-friendly. It is skillfully designed to fit under any kitchen cabinet. The hood is a powerful and elegant addition to your modern kitchen. The premium 430 series and 20-gauge thick stainless steel body gives the hood a stunning appearance when among other kitchen appliances. Furthermore, the hood is built with permanent arc flow filters that are long-lasting and dishwasher safe. You don't need to replace the filters, just drop them in your dishwasher for cost saving and easier maintenance. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.